this video, I'm going over how to install the tools and run the demo for the Cirque DK23 Circle Trackpad Dev Kit. First, open a web browser and go to the URL on the instruction sheet included with your kit. It's also at the bottom of the screen. On the Dev Kit page, scroll down to Developer Resources. You'll need to download and install the Arduino IDE and Teensyduino software. This software makes it easy to write code and upload it to the dev kit. You can find all the documentation here, including the complete development kit user guide, and down here is a link to the sample code on GitHub. Click the link under the sample code. It will take you to the Cirque sample code repository on GitHub. We will continue to add sample code for projects and ways to hack our dev kit here. Click the code button to download the code in a zip file or use your favorite Git software to clone the repository on your computer. After unzipping the file, navigate to the circular trackpad folder containing the sample Arduino sketches. For this video, we'll open the dual circle pads sketch. Double-click the sketch to open it in the Arduino IDE. If you haven't already connected your dev kit to your computer, now would be a good time to do so using the USB cable that came with your kit. In the Arduino IDE, you'll need to configure a few settings. Go to Tools and make sure the board selected is the Teensy 4.0. If you don't see Teensy as an option, go back and complete the Teensyduino setup. Next, select the correct port. It's the one under Teensy ports. USB type is serial plus keyboard plus mouse plus joystick. The default CPU speed should work. If that's all correct, click the upload button. This may take a few minutes to upload to your dev kit. The Teensy Programmer window will pop up while the code is loading, and it will display Reboot OK when it's finished. Next, open the serial monitor to interact with the dev kit. The serial output should display information about the connected touchpads. It will then display position data when tapping or swiping on the touchpads. Type H in the message field and hit enter to see a menu of available commands to experiment with. If you want to move your cursor using the trackpads, try out one of the sample sketches with mouse in the name. Thanks for watching, and let us know what uses and hacks you come up with in the comments.